If you've been paying monthly for iCloud storage, or constantly running out of room for photos, videos, backups, and security footage, this might be one of the smartest home tech upgrades that you can make. Today, I'm checking out the UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus, and this is basically your own private home cloud. So instead of paying subscription fees forever, you can store everything locally on your own hard drives, right at home, with more control, more privacy, and a lot more flexibility. And if you want to go check it out for yourself, check the link in the description to grab the World Backup discount for 20% off. What is NAS? Now, if you're new to this, like I was, NAS is pronounced NAS. It stands for Network Attached Storage. And the easiest way to think about it is this. It works a lot like cloud storage, but instead of storing your files on someone else's servers, basically everything lives on your own hard drives, inside your own device, on your own network. So you still get the convenience of accessing all your files across multiple devices, but without depending completely on cloud subscriptions, and without handing over all your data to a third party. Why NAS makes sense? So a lot of people start with services like iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, and that works until your storage fills up. Then it turns into pay more, upgrade again, pay more, upgrade again. And if you're backing up 4K videos, family photos, family videos, phone backups, security camera footage, or large work files, that monthly cost adds up fast. With a NAS like this, you buy the hardware once, add your own hard drives, and build your own storage system. Long term, that can be way more cost efficient. Now, let's talk about the storage. The UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus is a 4-bay NAS, and it supports up to 120 terabytes total. That is a ton of space for a home setup. UGREEN says that can hold up to 41 million photos, over 80,000 movies, or around 121 million files. So whether you're a smart home user, a content creator, or just someone who never wants to delete old memories, you've got plenty of room here. And another nice bonus is that it supports a wide range of third-party hard drives. So you're not locked into one specific hard drive brand. Now let's get into the hardware for a second. Inside, the DH4300 Plus is powered by an ARM-based 8-core processor, and it comes with 8 gigs of RAM. So for everyday NAS tasks like file storage, backups, photo organization, remote access, and media playback, it feels smooth and very responsive. It also has a 2.5 gig Ethernet port. So if your router, switch, or computer support multi-gig networking, you can get faster transfer speeds than standard 1 gig Ethernet. And that's something I really like to see on a device like this one. Because if you're moving large files, that extra speed really matters. Since it's ARM-based, it's also designed to be more power efficient for an always-on home setup, which is exactly what you want in a private cloud device. Now, one of the biggest questions people have with a NAS is this going to be complicated? Honestly, not really. This one is surprisingly beginner-friendly. To install your drives, you just pull out the drive tray, insert the hard drive, screw it in, and then slide the tray back in. Very simple. Once you power it on, the system walks you through the setup process step by step. So even if this is your first NAS, it doesn't feel intimidating at all. And one cool feature here is the NFC Quick Connect. You can tap your phone, connect quickly, and start setting things up in a really simple way. That really makes the first time experience feel a lot more modern. And one of the most satisfying moments with a NAS like this is that first file transfer. Once everything is set up, you can immediately start moving files over from your computer. Photos, videos, documents, project files, backups, and that first transfer is always where it clicks. You realize this isn't just another external hard drive. This is now your central storage hub. One place for everything. And the nice part, you're not stuck using it from just one computer. You can access your NAS from Windows, Mac OS, iPhone, Android, web browser, and even TV support, depending on how you want to use it. So whether you're at home, in the office, or out and about, you can still get access to your files when you need them. That's what makes this feel like a real private cloud, instead of just a box sitting on your shelf. Now, if your photo library is a mess like most people's, this part is actually really useful. The UGREEN NAS system includes an AI smart recognition and classification for photos. So after you upload enough photos, it can help automatically organize them into categories like people, pets, places, vehicles, and more. Instead of endlessly scrolling through thousands of images, you can search more intelligently. This is a super nice feature for families, or honestly anyone with years of phone backups. This is also a really cool option for smart home users. If your cameras support standard protocols like OnVIF, you can use the NAS as a central place to store and manage all your surveillance footage. That means you can view footage more easily, play back archived recordings, and keep your camera files in one place. And compared to paying for cloud camera subscriptions, that can be a big win, especially if you care about privacy or just want control over your footage. And once you get inside the NAS interface, there's also an app center built in, so you can expand what the system does beyond the storage, depending on the apps and features you want to use. That's a nice bonus because it gives you room to grow over time, instead of this just being a simple storage box. And if you want to use this for media, UGREEN also gives you the built-in way to organize your videos and media library. So your movies, shows, and personal video collections feel a lot more organized. That's a nice bonus if you want this to be more than just a backup device. So whether you're using this for backups, family memories, or home entertainment, it gives you a lot of flexibility. Now, one of the biggest advantages of a 4-bay NAS like this is data protection. If you set it up with RAID redundancy, the NAS can help protect your files in the event of a hard drive failure. So for important family photos, videos, backups, or work files, that extra layer of protection is a really big deal. Because this isn't just about having more storage. It's about having safer storage too. And for a lot of people, that peace of mind is one of the best reasons to get a NAS in the first place. I say this is great for smart home users, families with lots of photos and videos, people with security cameras, small teams, content creators, and honestly, anyone tired of paying monthly cloud storage fees. If you want a storage setup that feels much more private, more flexible, and more future-proof, a NAS like this makes a lot of sense. Overall, the UGREEN NAS DH4300 Plus is more than just a storage box. It gives you up to 120 terabytes of capacity, a beginner-friendly setup, an ARM 8-core processor with 8 gigabytes of RAM, a 2.5 gig Ethernet port, multi-device setup, AI photo organization, surveillance storage and playback support, app expandability, and RAID options that can help better protect your data. For a home user or a smart home setup, this feels like a really solid way to build your own private home cloud without making things overly complicated. And again, if you want to check it out for yourself, check the link in the description to grab a world backout discount of 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.